Hey, what's up, YouTube? I want to take a second out to tell you guys, I've been watching them subs. I cannot thank you guys enough. Awesome, awesome, awesome. They are going up day by day. Thank you guys so much. So, I decided, what better way? Do a nature walk today. So, here we go. Maybe find a mushroom or two. Who knows? It's supposed to be getting around that time of year. But, thing is, as you can see in my last video, I was trying to find one out here to show you guys. The skunk cabbage is actually doing pretty good, and that is a really, really, really good sign for mushrooms and such. Here's some actually. Not mushrooms, we didn't get that lucky yet, but let me show you the skunk cabbage I'm talking about. Now, I hope you guys can see this pretty good, but you see that right there? That's actually a skunk cabbage. Usually, in my mushroom hunting and stuff like that, usually that's one of the best signs when they get about, foot and a half big and everything. The mushrooms actually like to grow next to them. But let's take a walk out here and just see if we can find any mushrooms or maybe rabbits, or if we get real lucky, maybe even a deer. Let's go up here and see what we can find. Yeah, I can't thank you guys enough. Those subs are going up. We're one of the fastest growing small channels there is. Been on here roughly just a couple months and already got almost 700 subs. I am so proud of this channel, guys. We're doing it. Well, came to a fence. Jump this real quick. Stuff is starting to green up with the spring coming in. If the doggone temperature would stay up. And I wanted to tell you guys, everybody has been contacting me on Instagram and such. Thank you guys for reaching out to me. I greatly, greatly appreciate it. Got some briars here. A lot of people ask you, why do you wear pants or so, like that when you're out in the country and everything? This right here is why. You see that? Sticker bushes. Imagine if you got to jump a fence, or, if one of your animals gets loose or anything, you got to jump them a lot easier in jeans and shorts. Isn't that a beautiful sight, guys? Nice country. And I'm trying to keep an eye on the National Mushroom site, the basically about morale, stuff like that. So I'm keeping a close eye on that, and I'm trying my hardest to find them for you guys. So we will be doing a bunch of nature walks, stuff like that. And if you guys got any suggestions about any kind of videos, anything like that, feel free to comment down below. Well, it doesn't look like we're gonna find any wildlife, really. Oh, there's a bird. There's a rabbit. Yeah, we're supposed to be getting into spring, but the way the weatherman says, everything keeps going. We think we're getting into spring, and it drops down in the 30s, and we actually had snow the other day. That is crazy for this time of year for Illinois. There's Peter Cottontail again. Hope you guys can see him. Nothing worse than when I say there's something there and then I upload it and you can't see the doggone animal. Well, this is probably about as far as I can go right now with the property owner. So I just want to tell each and every one of you guys, thank you so much for subscribing to our channel. Thank you guys so much for everything. Keep those subscriptions coming, and the content's just going to get better and better. So if you guys have any ideas as far as kind of videos you guys be interested in, any kind of thing like that, or any improvements that I can do, feel free to like, comment, subscribe down below, and give me a comment, you know, kind of let me know what you guys think. Could I do better on nature, wildlife, stuff like that? I've only been doing this a couple months, so I'm, you know, still learning everything, but other than that, it's a beautiful day in Illinois. So, well, you guys have the most awesome day. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and we'll see you guys in the next video. It'll probably be tomorrow or the following day, one of the two. I'm trying to get on a schedule of releasing new videos daily, but just, you know, kind of got to see what happens. So, but thank you guys so much. From everybody around the world, welcome, and true pleasure to meet each and every one of you guys. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much.